Wait, you got from the Elks?
Yeah.
Did they give it to you? Oh,
Mommy.
oh, why am I so tired?
Okay.
Mommy, Kobe came here also.
Here in the house? What did they do?
I think Isha and Kobe are playing each other, but
Who came here?
Kobe.
Only him?
Mm-hmm.
Who else?
Mason, Tantan, and me.
Kobe? Sino travel ni Kobe?
Daddy.
Or the dad?
I think Daddy
Ma.
take Kobe because the dad lets Daddy like thing takes Kobe.
Ma.
Mm.
What did you say?
Mommy, I'm getting taller now.
The last day thing. Doing our gingerbread story.
You know? Your gingerbread? Where? Where is it? Your gingerbread story?
Mommy, when you
And
play
then,
basketball?
what are we gonna do? Why are you crying?
Mommy,
Why?
Mommy,
Hang on. Why? Why are you crying?
for what?
Gingerbread for what? Hmm? Hmm? Why are you crying? Tell me. I don't know. I don't know if you're I don't know what to say if you're crying. What? Tell me.
Yeah.
I don't know. She's telling about gingerbread story. And then why?
Allah, somebody eat gingerbread man.
Somebody eat the gingerbread man?
Remember Miss Wax said if he went missing,
And then
then somebody ate him. So why you're crying?